Welcome to Lux Vista TV. Today we explore the stunning 2026 Maserati MC20, one of the most viral Italian supercars redefining luxury and performance. With its futuristic design, butterfly doors, and aggressive stance, the MC20 instantly captures attention everywhere it goes. The exterior looks sharp and aerodynamic, featuring carbon fiber construction, sleek LED headlights, massive air intakes, and a race-inspired body built for both beauty and speed. Inside, the cabin feels modern and luxurious with premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, sporty seats, and dual 10-inch digital displays that create a high-tech driving experience. Maserati Plus One. Under the hood, the 2026 Maserati MC20 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo Nate-Tuno V6 engine producing around 621 horsepower with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. This incredible machine can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed above 325 kilometers per hour. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque helps improve handling, stability, and overall performance, making the MC20 feel like a true race car on the road. The interior focuses on the driver, offering a minimalist but premium atmosphere. Maserati added advanced infotainment technology, digital controls, luxury materials, and a powerful sound system that delivers an unforgettable experience. Safety features include traction control, electronic stability systems, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking support, and advanced cameras for better visibility. Maserati Plus One. The starting price of the 2026 Maserati MC20 is expected to be around $245,000, while the convertible Cielo version may exceed $280,000 depending on options and customization. Many car enthusiasts admire the MC20 for its exotic styling, thrilling performance, and unique Italian character, although some critics believe the interior could feel more dramatic for its price range. Still, the MC20 remains one of the most beautiful and exciting supercars in the world today.